Thailand is well known for its stunningly beautiful beaches, breathtaking limestone cliffs, ultra-friendly locals, and let's not forget the delicious food. But beyond its natural beauty and tourist attractions, the Land of Smiles actually has a very unique culture and history that maybe not too many people know. So if you're thinking of visiting or living in the country, why not clue up on its amazing facts? Hey everybody, it's V. Welcome to the channel if you're new, and welcome back if you're not. In today's video, I will give you some amazing facts about Thailand that might just surprise you. If you like this and similar topics, be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel to check out my other videos. With that, let's jump straight into the video. Number 1. Bangkok. The official name of Bangkok is one of the longest names in the world. Listen to this.
กรุงเทพมหานครอมรรัตนโกสินทร์มหินทรายุทธยามหาดิลกพบนพรัตน์ราชธานีบุรีรมย์อุดมราชนิเวศมหาสถานอมรพิมานอวตารสถิตสกทัตติยวิษณุกรรมประสิทธิ์
Yes, that is actually the full name of Bangkok. Number 2. The Thai flag. The colors of Thailand's flag are red, white, and blue. Red represents the people, white represents religion, and blue is for the monarchy. Number 3. The national anthem. The national anthem is played twice daily, at 8 a.m. in the morning and then again at 6 p.m. at night. Here is just a small snippet from their national anthem. Number 4. Thailand's national animal. The Thai elephant, or as it's called in Thai, Chang, is the national animal of Thailand and has played an important part in the country's history. National Thai Elephant Day is celebrated annually on March 13th. The elephant was so important that it appeared on the flag of Siam, and to this day still features on the flag of the Royal Thai Navy. And did you know that if you look at a map of Thailand, you may be able to see that it resembles an elephant's head? The ears are in the north and northeast, and the long trunk extends down to the south of the country. Number 5. The national flower. The national flower of Thailand is the orchid. If you love exotic flowers, you'll be pleased to know that 1,500 orchid species can be found growing wild in Thai forests. There's a reason why it's one of the world's largest orchid exporters. Number 6. National sport. Muay Thai, or Thai boxing. Although football is hugely popular in Thailand, it is the traditional, which is an integral part of the country's history and identity. The importance of the sport is honored with National Muay Thai Day, held annually on March the 17th. Number 7. National dish. While many Thais may consider pad kapao or even mama noodles as the unofficial national dish, it is pad Thai which takes the official crown. And I love pad Thai. Number 8. Thais eat with spoons and forks. Yes, it's a thing here actually. They eat with a fork and spoon. Number 9. Home cooking isn't common. It's actually cheaper to eat out, especially if you eat local street food, than to make food at home. Number 10. There are 40,000 plus temples in Thailand. One thing to remember, especially for my ladies, when visiting temples in Thailand, please be sure to cover up, wear something polite, try not to show your shoulders and maybe even your knees. So if you're wearing a shorts, Make sure it's not too short. Number 11. A color for every day of the week. In Thai culture, each day of the week is associated with a particular color. Although the old tradition of wearing the color of the day is not as widespread as it once was, the old custom can still be seen in some situations. Most Thai people will know the day of the week they were born and their lucky color. So the weekly colors are: Mondays is yellow, Tuesday pink, Wednesday is green, Thursday is orange, Friday is blue, Saturday is purple, and Sunday is red. Number 12. A smile can go a long way, and you'll find more smiles in Thailand than just about anywhere else. In fact, it's sometimes known as the land of smiles because the people of Thailand seem to be always ready with a smile. They are truly a peace-loving culture. The locals are normally very helpful. Number 13. Thailand is the only Southeast Asian country that was never colonized by a European country. All of its neighbors were controlled by either the British or the French. Number 14. Nicknames. This is one that I found quite surprising when I first moved to Thailand and first started teaching. So most Thais have a nickname. Thai people are given official names like you and I, government registered names, which are often long and complicated. I can attest to that. Instead of their long formal name, a nickname is given to them at birth, and this is commonly used instead. Sometimes it's a combination of their formal name, but it may just be a random short name the parents like. So some traditional names have meanings in Thai, like Noi means little, Nok means bird, and Phon means rain. In more recent years, there has been a trend towards names with more of an international influence. So don't be surprised if you meet people who are called Benz, Beer, Coffee, and some of the following names. Number 15. Monkey business. The city of Lopburi, where I used to live in central Thailand, is home to hundreds of monkeys. And let me tell you, those monkeys have no chill. As a way of thanking the monkeys for the tourism revenue they bring in, the city hosts the annual Lopburi Monkey Festival. Number 16. If you're a cat lover, I think the next interesting fact might be just for you. Thailand used to be known as Siam, and it is the country where Siamese cats originated from. Though there used to be 23 types of Siamese cats originally, there are now only 6. Giving a pair of Siamese cats to a bride on her wedding day is considered good luck. Number 17. Red Bull. The world-famous energy drink has its roots in Thailand, if you maybe didn't know that. Red Bull was modified to suit Western tastes. Number 18. That street you're driving on, in the past, it might have actually been water. Bangkok used to be referred to as the Venice of the East due to the number of buildings that were built on stilts above the river. Gradually, most of the canals were filled in and became the streets you see today. And number 19, funny ha ha ha. The Thai word for 5 is ha. So Thai people use 555 in text messages and on social media as a way of expressing laughter and as an alternative to LOL. So, which one of the amazing facts about Thailand were you most interested in? Are there any other facts that you maybe know that I didn't mention? Let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you would like me to cover a specific topic regarding teaching English in Thailand, teaching abroad, or just living abroad in general, do let me know in the comment section. As always, I look forward to hearing from you. Until next time, bye bye.